Wonder why some people believe money can't buy happiness? Stick around as we delve into this intriguing question and explore whether having more money might just bring more joy than we think. Hi everyone! Today on Wonder Why, we're tackling a big question. Can money really buy happiness? You've probably heard people say, money can't buy happiness. But is that really true? Let's break it down. Imagine you have two piles of money. One is huge and the other is tiny. Which one would make you happier? Most people think that happiness comes from things like friendships, love, and experiences, not just money. And they're right. Those things are super important. But what if money can help you get more of those happy moments? Think about it. With more money, you can go on fun vacations, buy cool gadgets, and even help out your family. These experiences and the peace of mind they bring can definitely make you happier. Here's something interesting. Studies show that people with more money often report higher levels of happiness. Why? Because money can solve a lot of problems. Imagine never worrying about paying bills, buying food, or affording healthcare. Sounds great, right? When you don't have to stress about these basic needs, you have more time and energy to enjoy life. But here's the catch. More money can buy happiness up to a point. Experts say that once you have enough money to cover your basic needs and a few extras, having a lot more doesn't make a huge difference. So, money can buy happiness, but only to a certain extent. It's like eating your favorite ice cream. The first scoop is amazing. The second scoop is great. But by the fourth or fifth scoop, you're not enjoying it as much. Now, let's look at the other side. Some people with a lot of money aren't happy at all. Why? Because they might get stressed about keeping their money, or they might not use it in ways that bring joy. Just having money isn't enough, it's about how you use it. If you use your money to help others, have fun experiences, and take care of your needs, it can definitely make you happier. So next time someone says, money can't buy happiness, you can tell them it's not that simple. Money can help you be happier if you use it wisely. It's like a tool. How you use it makes all the difference. Let's dive a bit deeper into how money can be used to buy happiness. First, money can buy experiences. Going on vacations, seeing new places, and trying new things can create memories that last a lifetime. Experiences can bring more happiness than buying things because you remember and cherish those moments forever. Imagine swimming with dolphins or visiting a theme park with your friends. These experiences can bring so much joy. Second, money can buy security. Knowing you can afford a doctor if you get sick, or that you won't be kicked out of your house, reduces a lot of stress. When you're not worried about these things, you can relax and enjoy life more. Third, money can buy time. You can pay for services that save you time, like getting groceries delivered or hiring someone to clean your house. This extra time can be spent doing things you love or with people you care about. But remember, it's not just about spending money on yourself. Helping others with your money can also bring a lot of happiness. Donating to charities, helping a friend in need, or supporting causes you care about can make you feel really good. Giving to others not only helps them, but also makes you feel happier and more connected to your community. So, while money alone isn't the key to happiness, it can definitely help. It's all about how you use it. Spend it on experiences, security, time, and helping others, and you'll find that money can bring a lot of joy. Remember, happiness isn't just about money. It's about spending time with people you care about, doing things you love, and helping others. But having some extra cash can certainly make the journey a bit more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Can money buy happiness? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos exploring different sides of big questions. See you next time.